Hello everybody and welcome to day 437 of Rhys' stories. And today I'm going to be reading you a story for the younger audience called Tractor Ted in Summertime, full of brilliant pictures from real life farm footage. Hi, my name is Tractor Ted. It is summertime at Tractorland. The wheat is ready to be harvested. What machine will the farmer use? Will he use a hedge cutter? Will he use a combine harvester? Or will he use a plough? The farmer will use a combine harvester to harvest the wheat. It is cut by big blades on the front. This is inside the cab where the driver sits. The grain is collected in the big tank. When the tank is full, the grain is unloaded into a trailer. The stalks left on the ground are called straw. The straw is rolled into bales by a baling machine. This tractor can carry 2 bales of straw at the same time. Straw is good for the animals to sleep on. The grain will be stored in the barn. The grain is being taken to the mill to be made into flour. In summertime, the animals enjoy being out in the fields. This puppy loves to play in the sunshine. This pig is too hot. It is having a cool bath. Hay is made in the summertime. First the grass is cut with a mower. Then it is turned until it is dry. The hay is baled up. This is a square baler. The bales are stored in the barn to keep them dry. These cows love to eat hay. Summertime is a good time to make new tracks on the farm. An excavator digs the track. They have wheels called caterpillar tracks. Here's a tractor with caterpillar tracks and a cultivator on the back. I hope you have enjoyed seeing the farm in summertime. Bye bye. Games to play. What colors are these machines? Yellowy, orange, blue, green. Can you remember what these animals are called? A dog, a puppy, a cow, and a pig. What are the wheels on this excavator called? Are they just called wheels, or are they called caterpillar tracks? Yes, they are called caterpillar tracks. So, the end. I hope you enjoyed that wonderful story called Tractor Ted in Summertime. So enjoy the rest of your day, everybody, and I guess I will see you all tomorrow for day 438 of Rhys' stories. So bye, everybody. Good luck.